want to go somewhere. Oh, where am I going to go? Somewhere tropical, somewhere fun. Somewhere where I can relax. Let's go see Jen. That's always an awesome trip. 1, 2, 3, go. And bam, there it is. Here I am at the Jen. Visiting Jen, the Jen Hotel in the Maldives. Looking pretty awesome out there today. Nice day on the small island of Mali in the Maldives. Maybe I'll go have a look around. Maybe I'll just walk around the hotel and see what's around the hotel. Pandemic times, you know what I'm saying? Hey, when you think of the Maldives, what do you typically think of? Resorts and water bungalows and scuba diving and beautiful aqua blue waters. Well, that's true. This place does have all that. But Mali is the capital city. It's a small city. You know, it's packed on a little tiny island. If you see it, you'll be quite surprised what it looks like. And Google it and see some of the pictures. It's quite amazing. Having said that, you can also find some pretty cool places to chill. I found this little terrace over here. I'm going to have something to eat. The nice thing about it is I get to sit here right on the seaside and I get to enjoy a bit of a view. And the ocean breezes is really nice. Not just the ocean breezes, but the sights and the sounds. And it's a really nice change. You get to stretch your legs a little bit. I'm happy. Just waiting for some food to come, fill this empty stomach of mine. Now look at that food. That's awesome. Fish and chips from the Maldives. I wasn't going to like that kind of stuff. So let's taste what this stuff tastes like. I'm going to eat this with my hands, just because I can. Let me see. This is a white snapper, they said. That's awesome. You got to come here. So of course, as you know, the Maldives is on the southern tip of India. And of course, they have a lot of things like fish and a lot of fishing boats here. And you don't have to go very far to find some really fresh fish. Now it's in the middle of the afternoon, so I probably won't find the choice products, but I'll come back here tomorrow morning and have a look again. And right over there, you can see, is the fish market where everybody brings their fish. Let's go take a look over there, see what kind of fish they have. Even as I walk through the city. Now this is, as I mentioned, the capital city, of the Maldives, you can still find some pretty beautiful places to walk through. Tropical, by the beach, really, really nice. There's certainly nothing wrong with city life here in the Maldives, that's for sure. But then again, there's a lot of things to do, a lot of things to see also. So if you ever come to the Maldives and you have to transit, so you get going from one resort to another, or maybe you're leaving your resort and you have to wait for a flight for the next day, or something just doesn't work out coordination-wise, maybe your flight's even canceled. Weather, who knows what reason. When you're in Mali, the capital city, which is attached basically to the only international airport, it's actually not bad to come here and hang around. There is some things to see and do, some places to chill. And to be honest, I can't complain. Probably just sit here and wait for a sunset. Okay, now that I'm away from the beaches and all that stuff, I am now walking down the main drag, the main street in the Maldives that cuts the island basically in half. Plenty of shops, plenty of people, a lot of noise, a lot of motorbikes, a lot of interesting things to see. Who doesn't love that, right? The beauty of traveling around the world.